Waking up here on Tuesday, February 25th. A little bit cooler out this morning than it has been. Feeling pretty good, especially knowing today is an off day and we don't have to ride. So I think we're going to maybe head to the beach, but maybe get some breakfast first, hang out around here just a little bit, and just see what we get into today. So one thing I haven't done is shown you guys around where we're staying. Now there's actually a few different houses here. We're staying in this one, so I'll just give you a quick tour. Got the kitchen area here. Over here we got plenty of ceiling fans, great view, screened in, really good airflow through here over in like the living room area. We've got a half bath here. Not too much to see. And we've got a full bathroom over here. Giant shower. I'm not going to go in here at the moment, but this is the master bedroom. Also has its own bath. And then down here is where Brian and I are staying, and Kathleen. They're not together in the same room. There were monkeys up in those trees yesterday. It was kind of cool. So this is where Brian and Kathleen are. Two beds in here, air conditioner up above, and then I'm staying right over here. Obviously I got all my camera equipment laid out, riding gear bag, clothes, and then I got a bed over here, air conditioner up above, and then if I walk out this door, you can see it takes you right to the pool, so that's pretty nice. Now that Brian's done having some strange woman rub on him, we can finally head out into town and down to the beach or whatever it is we're getting into.
Massage was good. I needed that after the 2 days of riding.
Yeah, I had mine last night and I feel a whole lot better today. So we're taking all the camera gear with us.
Turn left. No blinkers, George.
What do you mean no blink?
That means
We're under
go left.
that yacht up there.
Oh my goodness.
That's They get a hot sauce and vinegar.
Good burger here at the hookup. Now we're gonna insert some drone shots. right, so good time out, grabbing some lunch today, seeing some sights, really enjoyed that. I want to show you guys all the gear. They wash up our gear at the end of each day. Again, today was a non-riding day, so everything was washed up yesterday, ready to go, and I'll show you all the bikes lined up because tomorrow will be our last day out riding. So this is all of our own gear, well, not just mine and Brian's and Chris's, but everybody that's here to ride. You bring your own gear along at the end of each day, they wash it all up. You can see we got our boots all lined up upside down so they can dry out, because we do plenty of water crossings, river crossings, those sorts of things. Chest protectors, gloves. They even wash up your underwear and socks, which is really cool. There's Brian jumping out of frame because he doesn't want to be in the way of the bikes. Now here's all the bikes we've got. Most of them are 350s. I think we've maybe got a couple of 250s in there. I think there's also a 300 two-stroke, maybe a couple 300 two-strokes in there. But mainly we're dealing with Husqvarna's, KTM's, and obviously you got a few Yamahas sprinkled in there. But these things require a ton of maintenance because they get quite the beating out riding. So, you know, the guys that take care of these things have their work cut out for them. You'll see them doing oil changes, changing tires, you know, morning of. And as soon as we get back in, these things get pressure washed off and they start going over them so they're ready for the next day. Now, the gear you see here are the guides' gear, their helmets up there. Obviously, we got tons of tires, all kinds of products to keep the bikes running. Pretty nice setup they got going on. Looks like Andrew's house there with all the tires up there. If you're especially dirty, they have this outdoor shower here, and drain and everything. So when you get back, you can shower off real quick before you hop in the pool.